just as a storm of wind with its great blast troubles the sea and makes the fish take flight. So in this world the folk are troubled fast by a strong wind that from their hearts with might false liars, disloyal and treacherous, send forth, whereby they think to raise themselves in worth. And so they make truth perish from the earth, and he who would speak truth loses his right. Hardly shall this world be in the state of grace that it once was, according to what we hear men tell, when a man was believed without an oath to face with faith alone if he would pledge it well, and truth was without denial in every place. Now the world is turned to such a hatred spell that each one thinks how to betray his fellow's race. So I call this world a traitor and a fell.
No divisions part, all are of one mind, one heart, one false design, and they serve God with such honesty of heart that nothing else can please them in their line.
Nor is there any man who may speak ill of their art, except he who is one of them, unless he lie and fine for the writing, the eating, the sleeping in their mind. In the game of love they hold for a great martyrdom side. Christ our Lord, for he was born for our salvation verily, and willed on the cross to suffer death's sharp sword.
Choose another to afford,
For he made of himself a ship to gather us aboard.
from the great perils from which we cannot flee without confession and saying what we have done
In accord.